Every day, millions of products are manufactured using Chicago Cutting Die rotary cutting solutions. Established in 1923, Chicago Cutting Die is a global supplier of high-performance, tight-tolerance rotary cutting dies and modules found in high-volume manufacturing environments. Our products convert continuous web material into consumer products by shaping, cutting, and sealing a wide range of soft materials. The world's greatest manufacturers in over 40 industries and more than 20 countries depend on us every day. We design, engineer, manufacture, and recondition rotary cutting dies, complete cutting modules, segmented rotary dies, cutting dies, bonding cylinders, and anvil cylinders. In cooperation with our co-located affiliate company, Natura Products, we also provide matched metal dies, metal stamping dies, wire EDM, and metal stamping. And we offer precision machining services for low-volume projects, micro-machining, and high-volume machining. With an array of nearly 200 CNC and manual machining tools under one roof in our 80,000 square foot facility, Chicago Cutting Die is well positioned to serve your next project. Find out why so many companies rely on Chicago Cutting Die to deliver unrivaled craftsmanship at the highest possible value with superior performance second to none. To learn more or to request a proposal, call 1-800-747-DIES or email us at info@chicagocuttingdie.com.